everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to expand and simplify using the special products. So I see a plus, I'm going to choose the plus, which is this. Okay, so my y becomes my a. So notice what I'm going to do. I'm going to equals to my y, that will become my a. So this one will be my y square plus 2ab. Okay, so I just need to substitute into this formula and you will actually straight away very quickly get what is required. Okay, so this one final answer, y square is y square plus 2 times 4 is 8, so it's 8y. 4 square is 4 times 4, 16. And we are done with this example. Hello everyone, for this particular question, we are required to use these special products to solve this question. I see a plus, I'm going to go to the plus formula. And the first thing is, this will be my a. So notice later, I will substitute all the a with 2n. This will be my b. I will substitute all the b with 5. And therefore, this is what you should see later on. So this one will be equals to my a square plus 2 times my a times my b and plus my b square. After that, continue to simplify. 2n square is 2n times 2n, so it's 2 times 2, 4, n times n square. So from here also 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20. Still got my n down there. 5 square is 5 times 5, 25, and we are done with this question. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to expand and simplify this using the special product. So of course the first thing is to choose the out of these three, choose the correct one. I see a plus, I'm going to choose the a plus b bracket square special product, and this will be my a. So later you will see me substituting all the a with 3x. And this will be my b. And you will also see me substituting all the b with 2y. And without further ado, this will be the solution. 3x. This is my square plus my 2. A now is 3x. B now is 2y. And my c, no c, but a b square, so it's 2y square. After which I continue to simplify. 3x square is 3 times 3, 9, x times x, x power 2, plus 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12. Still got my x and y. 2y square is 2y times 2y, 2 times 2, 4, y times y, y square. And there's no more like terms. This will be the final answer. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to use the special product to solve this problem, and step 1 I need to choose the correct product to use, which is in this case a plus b bracket square. And once I choose that already, I need to know which one is my a, in this case is 1, and which one is my b, the whole n square, okay? So later you will see me substituting b with n square. And this is what you should see. Okay, so my a is 1 square plus 2 a b. b is n square, okay? Plus my b square. Once I finish substituting into the correct special product, I continue to simplify. 1 square is 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 1, 2. Still got my n square. And n squared square. Okay, for those who are not very good at that, n square square is equals to n square times n square. So how many n are there? Yep, there are 4. So n to the power of 4. And there are no more like terms. This will be the final answer. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to use a special products to expand and simplify this term. I must first choose the correct special product. I see a minus, c minus 2 bracket square, so I'm going to choose the a minus b bracket square. And later on, you will see that I will substitute all the a with my letter c, and b with my number 2. And therefore, this will be the a square, so it's c in this case, minus 2 a b. b is 2 in this question, plus my b square, which is 2 square. And continue to simplify. C square is c times c, c square. Then I will have 2 times 2. Notice there's a minus, so it's minus 4. And still got my c, okay? Plus 2 square is 2 times 2, 4. And there's no more like terms after this. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to expand and simplify using special products. The very first thing is, do take note for this question. I'm going to focus on my second negative sign. And therefore, I will choose the a minus b bracket square. Meaning, negative 4e will be my a, and 3 will be my b. And therefore, this one will be equals to negative 4e bracket square minus my 2a, in this case is negative 4e, b is 3, plus my b square. Square. Once I've substituted the correct a and b into the correct special products, I'm going to simplify. So negative 4e square is negative 4 times negative 4, positive 16, e times e is e square, and Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8 times 3 is 24, positive 24 E. And the last is 3 square is 3 times 3, 9. There are no more like terms. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to expand and simplify using special products of algebraic expression. The first thing you must do is to choose the correct special product. In this case, I choose the minus a minus b bracket square. And later on, you will then see me substituting the a with 7p, b with 4q. And this will be equals to 7p bracket square minus my 2a b plus my b square 4q square. And after which, continue to simplify. 7p square is 7 square. 7 times 7, 49. P square is p times p, p square. And after which, 2 times 7 times 4, negative. Do take note. So this will be equals to negative 56. P times q is pq. And 4q square is 4 times 4, 16. Q times q, q square. And there are no more like terms. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to expand and simplify using the special products of algebraic expression. And I see a minus. You must choose the correct algebraic special products, okay? And therefore later on you will see me substituting my a cubed with a and my b with b. So without further ado, you will then see me writing my a power 3 square minus my 2a b plus my b square. And after which, you can then see that a power 3 square is a power 3 times a power 3. So at the side, you will then see me writing a power 3 square is a power 3 times a power 3. So how many a's are there? Yep, there are 6 of them. So this one will become a power 6 minus 2a power 3b plus my b square. And there are no more like terms anymore. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.